one more present each.
Oh, wow!
Great.
Oh, me.
John.
Yes, 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 yes.
And this
You got the big box.
Yes.
The big box.
Woohoo!
Ah! I've got a glove-controlled drone.
I take it you like your electric skateboard?
Yes!
What?
Well, I've got something called a Loupe Deck. You use as a sort of additional keyboard and mouse to go with Adobe Lightroom.
I've splashed the cash on John again so he can use this Loupe Deck Controller to edit his pics in Adobe's Lightroom photo editing software. The buttons and dials should be easier than fiddling around with a mouse or trackpad.
Do you use Adobe
I do
Lightroom?
actually use Adobe Lightroom. It's a very good piece of software.
Well, that's a relief.
And this would enable me to use it quicker.
So we've imported the photos.
Yes, and we can start fiddling about with them instantly. Crops, rotates, changing the colours, changing the saturation, changing the exposure.
So it's kind of like a professional bit of kit.
I think if you use the software a lot, it'll make it quicker to use and you get better results. I like it, actually. I think it's really fun.
That very much depends on your idea of fun. Now my present.
Oh, yeah.
I've given Craig the Aura drone with gesture control glove.
Then I can control it with my hand, I take it.
It was really easy to pick up. It worked straight out of the box. Thank God. Yes.
It was really responsive. Didn't take that long to get the hang of it.
Yeah!
The drone master.
He loved it.
I'm going to have bags of fun with this.
Nice!
That was really easy to handle.
Yeah.
I'm chuffed.
Good. Not
Right.
as chuffed as me, though.
This is an electric skateboard.
Oh yes, the Razor X Longboard carries a lithium-powered 125-watt electric motor.
It's made out of lovely bamboo wood. It's easy to use like a normal skateboard.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
And it has a handheld remote to control your speed.
We all had to go outside to try it because I did not trust him near my lovely Christmas tree.
I don't want to smash your gin baubles, do I, Georgie?
Casualty may be closed. It is Christmas Day.
For under £300, you get a lot of kit for that.
Oh, yeah, that'll do. Yeah.
Slider, so you can gradually build up speed.
How long's the battery last?
So it's 40-minute battery.
Yeah,
You can go up to 10 miles per hour. Oh, no.
10 miles per hour.
You can't do tricks on it.
No, it's too heavy for that.
But the bigger wheels do mean you can go over lots of different surfaces.
Okay.
Try it on the grass.
Oh, were you sure? Really?
That went well.
Yeah, grass is out.
To get me out in the cold on Christmas Day, it has to be a good gift.
And this, my friends, is a good gift.
Oh, look, touching the ground, look. Hey.
Otis did well. He didn't fall on his bum once, which actually I was a bit disappointed about.
Merry Christmas to me.
I hate to say it, but I'm absolutely smashing this round.
We'll be the judge of that, George.